Hello friends, let's see what happens when I try to log into my Facebook account. Friends, as you see, I am not able to log into my Facebook account. Every time I am getting connection lost. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook login issue. So friends, at first you have to launch Facebook account, and then here I am going to enter my username and password, and then after click login button. After entering username and password, just click login button. Now as you see, the screen asks me to keep my account safe, and here it is an option appeared, enable two-factor authentication. Once I click enable two-factor authentication, I am getting this option, connection lost. Tap to retry. See, every time I am tapping on it, I am getting connection lost. Tap to retry. Now to fix this issue, you have to install Facebook Messenger. If you have installed Facebook Messenger, then you can easily fix this issue. I have already installed Facebook Messenger, so I am just opening it. Now log into the Messenger with your Facebook user ID and password. Now click enable two-factor authentication. Now you have to select a security method. You have two methods, authentication app and text message. I just select use text message. Now enter your mobile number and click continue button. Now you will get a 6-digit code to your mobile number. If you do not get the code, just click resend code. Once you get the code, click confirmation code option and then enter the code, and after that click continue button. Two-factor authentication is on for this mobile number. Now you have to click done button. Do you want this number used to help you make connections and see ads that are more relevant? You can either select use number or not now. Now let's try to log into Facebook. Now click tap to retry. If Facebook not opens, then click back button or relaunch the Facebook app. Then enter your user ID and password and then click login button. Now you have to click on try another way to verify your device. Now click text message. You will get a code to your mobile number, and then after that you have to enter the code and then click continue button. If you get this kind of screen, just tap on continue in English US. Now you will able to see your profile picture and then click save button. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.